Want to turn blurry content into profit? Here's how to make money with Topaz AI in 2025. Step 1. Download Topaz Video Enhance AI or Photo AI. They upscale and restore media with pro-level quality. Step 2. Pick a niche: YouTube video cleanup, old photo restoration, or e-commerce image upgrades. Step 3. Use Topaz to sharpen, upscale, and clean up visuals. Turn 720p videos into crisp 4K. Restore old or damaged photos. Step 4. Monetize by selling services on Fiverr, Upwork, or to local creators, offering bulk editing to YouTubers and businesses, restoring family photos or vintage content for a fee. Step 5. Show before and after samples to attract clients fast. Topaz AI makes content look premium, and in 2025, premium quality pays.